This is English in Seconds, where basic becomes brilliant. Let's master the present simple tense. Let's look at the basic structure of present simple tense. Subject plus verb plus s, es for third person singular, he, she, it plus object. We use present simple to talk about habits, things we do regularly. Facts, things that are always true. Routines, daily or weekly activities. Schedules, like bus times or classes. Journal truth, things that never change. Now let's check out the examples. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. This shows a habit. The sun rises in the east. This is a fact. She plays the guitar on weekends. This shows a routine. The train leaves at 6 o'clock. This is a schedule. Water boils at 100 degrees. This is a journal truth. Here is the basic structure of affirmative sentences. Subject plus base verb plus s, es for he, she, it. Moving on to the examples. He goes to school. He reads the newspaper. He plays tennis. She cooks a meal. It rains a lot here. Notice, with he, she, and it, we usually add s or es to the verb. Now let's see some negative examples. He does not go to school. He does not read the newspaper. She does not cook a meal. It does not rain a lot here. I don't take tea in the morning. They do not play football. Now let's check out the interrogative examples. Does she cook a meal? Does he go to school? Quick rule, we remove the s or es from the verb whenever we make a negative or interrogative sentence. I go to the market. I don't go to the market. Do I go to the market? He goes to work. He does not go to work. Does he go to work? Common mistakes. He go to school every day. That's the wrong one. He goes to school every day. We add s or es to the verb. She don't like coffee. That's the wrong one. The correct one is she does not like coffee. Does he plays football? Wrong. Does he play football? Use base verb with does. That's the correct one. So remember, the present simple is for daily life, habits, and facts. See you next time.